Hello, myself Aisha from class 11th. In the midst of July, Babu Bodhraj Convent School had participated in the MUN Model United Nations organized by Vidya Gyan School in Secunderabad. All of our students who participated were successful in completing the task provided to them. On behalf of the management, I would like to extend my gratitude to the host school for providing such platform to the student. On the behalf of staff and students, I would like to extend my special thanks to the management of my school who encouraged the students to participate in the MUN. Now, over the students or participants who will share their experience with you.
Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Tyagi, a student of 10th grade from Bau Bograj Convent School. I was a head reporter there. My role was to capture every movement from intense debate, collaboratives, resolutions.
Hello everyone, I am Palak Sharma from class 10th D. First of all, I would like to thank Vibha ma'am, Ram sir and Jaswinder sir who believed in me and sent me there. My experience was mesmerizing and enriching. The event of MUN conference was just amazing. I enjoyed it a lot. I got to know many things from there, like how to communicate better, how to work in team, how to take responsibilities, and how to stand by our country. The vibe of that school was just amazing at a different level. Everything was just beyond my expectations. It was an amazing event, and I would like to go again there because from there my confidence built a lot. Thank you so much again for giving me this opportunity, and it was my great pleasure to attend that. Thank you.
Honorable principals, sirs, directors, respected teachers, and my fellow students. This is Samiksha Tiwari from class 10C. So I'm here to express my gratitude to my school authority because of whom I was able to get this wonderful experience of attending a MUN conference. I don't have words to describe how my experience was, but yes, it was truly a great moment for me. I learned a lot and yes, I enjoyed a lot there. Thank you so much for letting me attend my first ever MUN. Thanks a lot.
Good morning, respected school administration, teachers, and fellow students. This is Kavach Chaudhary, a student of class 9, section C. I'm here to deliver a thanking speech to express my gratitude to dear Ram sir, Vibha ma'am, Jaswinder sir, and our respected school administration for sending me to MUN, Model United Nations Conference. I, the student who participated in MUN, Model United Nations Conference, expressing my heartfelt gratitude to enriching experience as a delegate of Austria in UNGA Committee, United National General Assembly. I compete with other delegates from various schools, engaging in thought-provoking debates, negotiation on global issues. This gives me an invaluable insight into diplomacy, teamwork, and leadership. And one thing that it taught me that the importance of collaboration and leadership in a competitive environment. I thank for this opportunity to represent our school and grow both personally and academically. I'm very grateful for the trust you all placed in me. Thank you, Ram sir, Vibha ma'am, Jaswinder sir. I'm very grateful of you all for listening me so carefully. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone, I am Pranav Jha, student of grade 10. As we all know that our school had the honor of participating in the MUN held at Vidyagan School, and I feel truly blessed that I got a chance to represent our school as a delegate of South Africa in the committee of UNCSW, which stands for United Nations Commission on the Status of Women. In my views, it was a great experience for all of us and a wonderful opportunity to explore, learn and connect with the students of different schools. It gave us exposure to the global issues and how they are dealt with. But beyond all of that, I have a thing which I want to share with you all, which is that before going to MUN, as I'm in my learning stage, I was feeling very nervous, my legs are literally shaking. But after back then, I'm standing here upon you, all of you, speaking fluently and like I'm doing it for years. I would like to thank everyone who are listening me, who are here to support me, guide me, and doing literally everything for me. Remarkably, a heartfelt thank Lalit sir and Divaka ma'am who were always there to support us. And at last, I would like to thank the Honorable Jaswinder sir, Viva ma'am, Ram sir to make this possible for us and make everything so much reliable. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Today, I would like to take a moment to thank Honorable Ram Sir, Vibha Ma'am, and Jaswinder Sir for believing in us and giving us the opportunity to participate in this Model United Nations. Representing BBC wasn't just an honor, it was a responsibility that taught us more than we ever expected. The moment we entered the conference rooms, our confidence was built even more and we were pushed out of our comfort zones in the best way possible. We learned there how to speak with confidence, listen with empathy, and think like global citizens. It was not just about debating and diplomacy, it was about thinking like global citizens and discovering ourselves to our best. I would also like to take a moment to thank the faculties who accompanied us throughout the day, especially Devaka ma'am for her constant support and Lalit sir also for being a part of this journey. We are grateful for the chance and even more grateful for the change. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It is with deep gratitude and pride that I stand before you today, having had a good and wonderful experience to participate in Vidyagyan MUN. First, I would like to sincerely thank Principal Sir, Director Sir, and Ma'am for believing in me and give me this golden opportunity to represent our school on this event. Participating in Vidyagyan was a life-changing experience. It helped me develop skills like public speaking, critical thinking, and team working. I promise to carry forward what I have learned, not just a delegate, but as a aware and more confident student. Thank you.
A very beautiful morning to all of you. First of all, thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This is Stuti Arora in front of you all, studying in class 9C from Babu Bodaj Convent School, Sikandrabad. Recently, I visited two Vidyagyan School in Dulera, Bulandshahr to attend the MUN. Firstly, I truly want to thank Ram sir, Vibha ma'am and Jaswinder sir for giving me this amazing opportunity. And I also want to thank Lalit sir and Divaka ma'am for their guidance in Vidyagyan School. At the MUN, I had a great experience. I learned many new things. I speak in front of others, meet students from different schools, and express my views on several worldwide issues. It helped me a lot to gain confidence and boost my communication skills. And we all know that every experience is a step toward becoming a better version of yourself. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankit Maurya, a student of class 10th and a proud student of BBC. Today, I am here to express my feelings about a tour and a wonderful tour, I say, Vidyagyan tour. At 11th and 12th July, I went there to attend a MUN, Model United Nations Conference. I was a delegate of Giriraj Singh, a member of All India Political Party meet there. There I make decision, amended, drafted, and implemented. And I learned many things there, how decisions are made and how we can represent ourselves at a parliament and much more. But I think if I was alone, I couldn't do anything there without confidence. But the teacher who made my confidence a better and better by day is our assistant teacher Lalit sir, who made me like this to stand here and speak out there with so confidence. And I also thank to Ram sir, Viva ma'am and principal sir who always encourages me and go say to me that go beyond your book and explore the new world of imagination. Thank you.
I'm Bhumia Dhana from class 10C and today I'm truly honored to stand here and express my heartfelt gratitude to the BBC School Administration for giving me the opportunity to represent our school at the Modern United Nations in the committee AIPPM, which stands for All India Political Parties Meet. First of all, I would like to pay my heartfelt thanks to Ram sir, Vibha ma'am, Jaswinder sir and all my dear teachers who trusted me, supported me and guided me to step into such a powerful and a prestigious forum. And AIPPM was not just about speaking, it was just like entering a real parliament. And I represented Bhupendra Yadav from BJP, who is currently serving as the Union Cabinet Minister for Environment,
forest and climate change. And I learned how powerful communication can be, how tone, how facts are, how information, how timing can change the impact of our words. And this experience has truly shaped my thinking and boosted my confidence. And I will forever be grateful to my school for this opportunity. Thanking you once again, Lalit sir, Divyaka ma'am, for this opportunity to me and helping me grow beyond the classroom.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ayush Garg from class 10th B. Today I am here standing to express my wonderful experience of Vidyagan MUN. So basically recently on 11th and 12th July we go in an MUN which is held at Vidyagan Dhulera. There are more than 20 schools participating in that MUN. Our school is one of them. So in that MUN, my portfolio is UNEP, which stands for United Nations Environmental Programs. And my portfolio is Chile, which is a democratic country recently, which is democratic becomes after the 1990s. So when we all were heading out for MUN from here, we all a little bit nervous, but when we reached there, we entered in our committee sessions, we enjoyed a lot. So in the end, I thanks to Principal Sir, Ram Sir and Vibha Ma'am to give me that golden opportunity. In the end, I also would like to thanks my class teacher Lalit Sir who helped us very much in our preparation. Thanking you. Have a nice day.
A very good morning to all of you. I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude. Firstly, I would like to thank our school administration, Vibha Ma'am, Ram Sir and Jaswinder Sir for giving me this golden opportunity to participate in the recent MUN conference. I also would like to thank Divyaka Ma'am and Lalit Sir for their guidance and support. I learned so much about debate, diplomacy and teamwork also. Participating in MUN helped me gain confidence, improve my public speaking skills and understanding the global issues from different perspectives. I also had a great chance to interact with passionate students from various schools and engage in debates, which was truly inspiring. Thank you once again for your support, guidance and for believing in me.
Good morning everyone present here, respected Ram sir, Vibha ma'am, Jaswinder sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ravish Kumar from class 10th A from Baba Bodhraj Convent School, Railway Road, Sikandrabad. Today I am here to share my experience of participating in VGD MUN 2025 hosted by Vidyagan School. First of all, I would like to thank Ram sir, Vibha ma'am and Jaswinder sir who gave me an opportunity to visit Vidyagan as a delegate, and also I would like to thank Lalit sir and Divyaka ma'am who guided and helps us at every stage. In the beginning, I was too nervous and was not sure what to expect from there. And the idea of speaking in front of so many people felt me scary, but as its one started, I realized how fun and exciting it actually was. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Zana from 9th standard and today I want to share my experience of Model United Nations. So firstly I would like to say thank you for giving me that opportunity. I feel proud and special to represent our school. So at first I was very nervous. I saw so many students talking so confidently and I thought, can I do this? But when I started, I realized that MUN is not just about speaking. It's about learning and understanding the world. Today I can say MUN changed me. It gave me courage to speak up and how to respect other opinion and work as team. Yes, I made mistakes. Sometimes I forget what I have to say. But each time I learn something new. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. Vibha ma'am, Ram sir and Jaswinder sir, thank you so much.
Good morning respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So this is Sanskriti Devatia, studying in class 9C from Baba Bodhraj Convent School, Railway Road, Sikandrabad, Bulandshahr. We are well thankful to respected Baba Ma'am, Ram sir and Jaswinder sir for sending us to the VGD MUN conference. It was a great experience where we learned a lot important global issues and how can we express our opinion confidently. This conference helped us to develop our leadership skills, teamwork and public speaking. Thank you again for this wonderful experience. Thank you.
Namaste, respected director sir and ma'am and honorable principal sir and all teaching and non-teaching staff. I am Abhay Dubey of class 10D standing in front of you to deliver a thanking speech. Wow, what an incredible experience. This was my first ever Model United Nations and truly I did not know what to expect, but I am very happy to be the part of this. And I learned a lot. First, a big thanks to Principal Sir and Director Sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to represent our school in this MUN. And this MUN, I did not know what to see, what to expect, but they learned me a lot to understand it and feel me comfortable. This MUN not just taught me about the world, but also tells me to study about the education which we study in the AIPPM. And this AIPPM helps me a lot in understanding the way of analyzing the political parties. So at the end, I would like to thank Director Sir and Ma'am for making my first MUN experience so awesome and memorable. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. As I stand before you today, I am filled with gratitude and pride. Reflecting on the incredible journey with Vidya Gandhi School, I am Priyal Vashni of class 9 from Babu Bodhraj Convent School, and I am grateful for Jaswinder Sir, Ram Sir, Vibha Ma'am for sending us to the MUN conference. It was an enriching experience with Vidya Gandhi School that broadened our perspectives and helped us to develop our essential skills. The conference was a melting pot of ideas, discussions and debates. We had the best opportunity to participate in various committee sessions. Thankful for your guidance, support and trust on us, and I am proud to say that this journey would not be possible without the support of our institution Babu Bodhraj Convent School. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Well, I am Dipanshi Bhati as the student of class 10th from Babu Bodhraj Convent School. I stand here today with my immense gratitude and pride as we receive our Model United Nations MUN certificate. On the behalf of participating students, I would like to sincerely thank Ram Sir, Vibha Ma'am and Jaswinder Sir.
Good morning everyone. Myself Neha Bhatti. I study in class 10C, BBC School Secunderabad, Bulandshahr. For a big thank you Ram Sir and Vibha Ma'am and Principal Jaswinder Sir for giving me a big opportunity.